Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to enroll in a class and you want to get started. You're going to go to our website, dance2express.com, click the sign up button from the top navigation, and then you're going to go down here to number 2, online registration, enroll now. If you haven't set up an account yet, you're going to click forgot your password down here. You'll type your email address in, the same one you used when you registered for your trial class, and it'll send you a password reset button to your email. If you have logged into your parent portal online account before, you're just going to enter in your email and your password and get logged in. If it's been a while since you've been logged in, you'll go through and accept our waiver. Make sure you read through this. It contains really important policies about our programs and liability waivers and releases. You'll go ahead and type your name here and hit accept. Then once you're here, you're going to be able to click enroll in a class on the top, and then depending on what class you're enrolling in, you'll choose your season. In this case, I'm going to sign up for a dance class at our Centerville location. I'm going to scroll down until I find the class that I want to sign up for. I'll click the class. It'll show me the details, and I will hit yes. I'm sure I want to enroll. It will show you a breakdown of what you're enrolling in, and then you have to check out to secure your spot. So you'll hit check out. You'll review your cart. You can add more classes if you're signing up for multiple. It'll show you your payment amount. You can hit details, and it will show you the annual membership fee being added to your account, and then your monthly tuition due here on out. Return to checkout. You'll hit next, and then you'll go ahead and add your payment method and check out. Super simple. We're excited to have you join us, and I hope this tutorial helped.